Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we've got another unboxing going on today. Got a 5-inch Mastercraft bench vise with a 360-degree swivel base. Last Mastercraft one I had was a 4-inch and it got snapped on me. But anyways, I also didn't know at the time it had a lifetime warranty, or I would have just said, hey, replace it. Anyways, lifetime warranty. Like that. I love Canadian Tire. They do have a lot of good tools. They got some crappy ones too, so you know, don't worry about that. They do have some pretty crummy stuff. But overall, they got great vices, and I needed a new vise, but I didn't want a puny one this time. I like big vices, especially after getting spoiled with an old English vise I had that was probably older than me. Anyways. Let's see if we can get this behemoth out of here. Alright, so we got a little built-in anvil, which is nice. And nice big heavy beast there. Jaws close up really good. No assembly required, just bolt her down to your table. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have to get a 2x6 out of the pile and make an underside mount. So I got a pretty thin table here, so I'm going to have to, you know, bolt her up nice and secure. So I'll get a 2x6 under there and slam her up and we'll bolt this in place. But I needed a proper vise. I've got a wood vise, which is, you know, it's been kind of handy for a little while. But, yeah, it just can't do that pressure clamping that I need to do on certain things. Now, this little beaster is going to definitely help. This normally sells for $100 Canadian. And I say Canadian a lot on my channel because a lot of people don't realize that I'm a Canadian. And I am. So, Canadian prices. So, it was on sale, $50. And I thought, I am not passing this up. Now, they had one model bigger than this that I saw, and I'm like, oh, I don't have enough. Damn it. And it was like $129. It wasn't on sale. I told my wife, though, if it goes on sale for, you know, a really good price, I might just pick it up because it's even bigger. And there's nothing wrong with bigger vices. So, this thing will definitely take a lot more torture, though, than their 4-inch vise. So, if you are a Canadian, you know, and you're looking for a good vise at a great deal, Canadian Tire, we all know, runs their sales for, you know, usually about a week or so, depending. So you might want to grab one of these things while you can before the price goes back up again, or the next sale price is $75 instead of $50, because we all know Canadian Tire, they will redo sales a lot. Like even my my drill press went from, you know, I think it was like $229 or something like that, or $2 something anyhow, and it went down to $153 or $154, and then it just the other day went to $129. I'm like, scoop, right? Kind of like my bandsaw, same thing. I paid like, you know, I think I actually did pay. I don't remember what I paid for it. Anyways, it's on my YouTube channel. It was like $100 and some. It was really cheap. But anyways, this is one of those things where you got to have a vise in your shop, you know, whether you're a wood shop or whatever, and you need behemoth stuff, because really 4-inch vices are kind of wussy. The 5-inch is like, you know, 3 times the quality and beef and everything of their 4-inch. So I definitely wanted to get at least a 5-inch for now anyhow. So you just, you know, turn these suckers here to, you know, lock and unlock your swivel if you need to swivel it. Great little vise, very happy with it. You could call this an unboxing review if you wanted to. What I can tell you is that it is well built. It's all cast iron. It's going to take a lot of squish power. If for any reason you do have an issue, it is guaranteed forever, which is actually really good, you know. A lot of Mastercraft stuff is guaranteed forever, but an awful lot of it is usually like 2 to 3, maybe 5 years. It depends on the tool, right? You know, it varies. So, you know, read the package before you pick it up, because you might not like the warranty. I have no idea. But nonetheless, they do have some good stuff. They do have some crummy stuff. This is one of their good items. So anyways, guys, that's my little show and tell for today, for a little unboxing for you guys. You'll probably see this thing in use on the odd video when I'm in here messing around. I've been redoing my shop too. I'm going to give you guys a shop tour soon. I've been doing work on the outside and the inside in here for reinforcements, and also making it a little bit more winter friendly. Because I want to be able to work in here all year round, especially in the winter when I don't work my regular job. I need to putt around and do stuff so I don't go crazy. So yeah, having the shop in here is like awesome. So anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.